So in this video, I am going to tell you what is the difference between AI chatbot and AI agents. Some people do not understand what is the difference between AI chatbot and AI agent. So I will give you step-by-step information with easy presentation file. So let's go to my PC and see the difference between AI chatbot and AI agents. AI chatbots versus AI agent. Understand them now. It is very important because now we are in 2025 and AI conversion tools and transferring how business interact with customers. So make sure that AI chatbots are those wherein you are entering the prompt like chat GPT, gamma, and these are the AI chatbots where you are entering some text or prompts and they are giving you images or content. So but AI agents are those which will do work for you. For example, you do not need to enter prompts or do not need to do anything. You can just simply create AI chatbots. You can see AI chatbot is simply a software program designed to give you human conversation through text or voice interaction. It operates. Chatbots are typically built rule-based system enhanced with a natural language processing. So it is very easy to differentiate between AI agent and AI chatbot. So AI agents are autonomous system capable of performing tasks, making decision independently to achieve some goals. So AI agents will do their work on their own. We just need to create them, and they also work seamlessly on various digital tools like calendars, emails, APIs, and automative complex workflows. So this is a basic difference. So key difference, let's understand. So a chatbot and AI agents. So chatbots are conversational and reactive, but AI agents are action oriented and autonomous. So AI agents are autonomous. They build, perform tasks, make decisions as well, and but chatbots cannot make decisions. Chatbot respond to users input and using the NLP language. So chatbots are complexity handling. Chatbot excel strengthening queries, while agents are equipped to manage execute complex like multi-step workflows. Capability and learning, what is the difference? AI agents can learn and improve their performance over the period time, but chatbots generally have limitation in adaptability. So how they work technically, overview. So this is the overview. Chatbots are machines, so utilizing preferred script on large language like large language modeling LLMs for dialogue generation, but AI agents employ advanced machine learning and reinforcement learning algorithms. So this is a basic difference. I hope you understand the basic difference between, and the real world examples you can see. The chatbots, there are so many now companies as well who are creating AI agents, and they are providing AI agent services to so many companies. Like for example, there are so many tasks which humans do on daily basis. AI agents are created to do that task. So you can also create AI agents and provide your services to others if you are good in this. Otherwise you can follow my upcoming videos and I will teach you step by step information how to create AI agents. So it is very useful. The use of AI agents are for personal virtual assistants, took like Siri and Alexa performing tasks for setting alarms. So they also do like AI agents, and they are automated workflows management. They are useful in adaptive customer support and complex task automation. They are very good in these tasks. So integration and future trends, they are very futuristic AI agents, and you will see more and more AI agents software in upcoming times. And uh, conclusion is this: choosing the right platform AI tools. So both are useful. They both have different tasks to do. You can use chatbot for conversion. So you can use chatbot for conversation and AI agent for autonomy. Hybrid solution for energy you can. So you can empower your work. There are so many people who are saying AI agents or AI chatbot will eat your job, but there are so many jobs which will be created using AI agents, because there are so many people behind in creating AI agents. There are so many people who will create AI agents and provide AI agents and AI chatbot services. So it is better to get into this service and learn AI. Learning AI agent is very important because you have to stay with the new technology. So I hope friends you have now some idea about AI chatbots and AI agents. In upcoming my videos I will tell you how to create AI agents. So stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel and let's be connected.